So many trees right here. There's one.
Already 10 out of 10 better than
Copenhagen. Not that it's a bad city, it's just we had a bad time. Just got some bakery snacks. Lauren got a scrolly thing.
It's just like a cinnamon roll.
Yeah.
Really good.
And I got like a pecan pie thing. You can sit up there. Tim Burton film. And like just so long. Wow. Oh god. I'll take the lot. Full of broccoli. If you couldn't tell by the great interior design, yeah, you need your shower. We're in IKEA. It's actually the biggest one in the world. Look at all this Swedish design stuff. It's very exciting when we can't buy anything. See what's in the fridge. It might be something. Are we gonna fry it though?
Yeah, we're gonna cook
If we have it, yeah, I was like gonna say soy sauce makes it better. Oh, well, tag and soy sauce will do.
food, sorry.
Round 2 of IKEA.
This time with
Veggie meatballs. I'm gonna pan it up. I feel like that was a very spiritual experience. I'm ready to take on the world. Around my neck.
Oh no,
And so is Lauren.
I wanted a scarf, okay?
Why did you want to share the scarf?
Because my neck's cold.
Can't even work the camera.
Totally working.
It is working. As I get
just,
choked.
Like, lead you around places using my neck.
You're like, this is how I can make you like walk faster.
Okay, people are coming.
The camera's really close to my face again. And I look bald.
Yes, it's even better with the scarf around your neck. You look like it. You look, oh my god, you know what you look like? Like, you know in Humpty Dumpty where the egg's got like a scarf around him?
Sure.
That's what you look like right now.
I love that compliment, thank you. I may as well make this into a vlog. Tonight's our last night in Stockholm and then we go to Bergen. And this is like what not to do when you're doing a vlog. Like, you know, they're like, you have to hold it out really far and not hold it under your face.
Yeah.
What do you think I'm doing? So cute. It's just in, I took off my camera around my neck. Lauren actually has a scarf in her bag. So she finds it easier to like share my scarf.
You know how lazy I am.
How cute is this place?
Massive discomfort to actually doing something.
I've stopped listening to her because she's an idiot. I feel like being attached to me and strangling me is probably not as fun as getting out your own scarf.
Well, you thought wrong.
Okay. Just got some burgers. Should be interesting. Let's see what it looks like, Lauren.
It's gonna look like shit, I bet.
A very good impression of an introvert. Oh wait, that's what we are. No, introvert would be like, don't look at me.
Nästa Skamfull.
Today we say goodbye to this beautiful place in Sweden. Probably like the most beautiful couch surf. Like in terms of where it is. And we got our little turtle packs on. We haven't had like this many flights in a row in a long time. But it's exciting. I mean, you spend most of your time like on the tarmac or waiting for the plane compared to how long the plane is. But it's fun. Want to say anything, Lauren?
Not really.
You said something. Adios. We are back at the airport.
Have a quick Irish meal at O'Leary's Bar and Restaurant.
I would love that burger. Right there.
Me too.
Yum. Animal flesh. But I got my Texas passport. If it focuses on it. It's like censoring it because it's like so nice. Look how nice the little silver fan is though.
Oh goodness.
Haha.
Yeah. Australian ones are just boring as fuck.